Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix alarm no sound on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on clock app. After click on clock app and allow alarms. After allow alarms, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on clock and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache clock app. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. Sorry. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.